Hey everybody, it's Parv from the ParvTube Show here. Last time I uploaded the part 1 version of Happy New Year 2022 edition of me wishing y'all and the announcements. So here it is now, the part 2 version of our Happy New Year 2022 edition with fireworks. All right. All right. Okay. Nice. You can see them right there. Firing. That's really nice. Oh! Woo! Along with more! Oh! Woo! Oh my gosh, there's so many of them! Okay. You can see them behind. And even the big one. All right, everybody, so that is the part 2 version of my 2022 Happy New Year edition. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all like it. And please don't forget to do things I've told y'all to do to keep the channel going on and also to make me happy. And we'll be back with more videos as soon as possible, or just stay in tune for more videos like the year in review that I'm about to do today. And I'm also going to do the holiday trip that I'm also going to be doing that as well. So you guys and gals take care. Peace out. Happy New Year, everybody. We'll see you in the next video episode here on the ParvTube Show. Goodbye, everyone.